Finding bull flag setups has never been easier. Select the stock screener on the homepage. To ensure that the bull flag pattern is visible on the chart, first open the Chart Settings tab, click on the plus sign, and open the inverted triangle next to Select Overlay to add. Select ChartMill flag and finally click on Add Indicator. ChartMill will now annotate the auto-detected bull flag patterns in the chart. Select the TA Indicators tab and open the drop-down menu under Bull Bear Flags. Check the following items here. Bull flag, flag pole above 10. This is the height of the flag. It is the move in percent that happened before the flag formation started. It should be a sharp and significant upward price movement that precedes the price consolidation phase. With the following setting, we define the length of the flag pattern. It should not be too short so that the flag is clearly visible, but also not too long. If a stock sits in a flag for too long, like more than 10 to 15 candles on a daily chart, the setup weakens. Select the following: flag length above 5 and flag length below 12. Next, open the Volatility menu and select ATR percentage above 2 to exclude stocks that are barely moving. In this example, I only want setups in a long-term bullish trend. To do this, open the ChartMill Trend section and select Long-Term Trend Positive and Short-Term Neutral or Positive. Now add a number of basic filters to further refine the selection. Go to the General tab and set the following according to your preferences: exchange, price, average volume, market cap. What remains is a short list of bull flag stocks. Not all setups are perfect, but there are definitely a few very nice setups that are worth following up on. Save the best setups to your watch list using the plus sign in the chart. Want to reuse this screen later? Save it by clicking on this icon and giving it a suitable name. Finally, click on Save. These specific bull flag filter options are exclusively available in the ChartMill stock screener. Would you like to try it out for yourself? Go to chartmill.com, create a free account, and get started today.